Read aloud. Ben has a red hen. Ned has a jet. Ben meets Ned in a tent by the sea and feeds his hen with 10 peas. Ned leads Ben to the sea to get his wet net. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Who has a red hen? Ben has a red hen. Question number 2. What does Ned have? Ned has a jet. Question number 3. Who meets Ned? Ben meets Ned.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.